To hire scouts in Madden NFL 26 in the franchise mode, you have to have the hire and assign scouts option, which is available, for example, in the first week of the regular season. So once you have this option, we can go over there and we can go to scouts. Over here, you should be able to find all your scouts that you have right now. You can find their tiers or stars, as well as the region that is assigned to them, which is quite important actually. And first, we're going to talk about tiers. So as you can see, you can, at least by default, I believe, we have three scouts that have 1 star, and 1 scout that has 2 stars, and 1 scout that has 3 stars. If you decide to replace a scout over here, so if you decide to fire a 2-star scout, then of course you can get another scout that is also 2-star. You cannot get a scout that has 3 stars or 1 star. You have to replace a scout with the same tier scout again. Now, in order to hire a scout, now over here we can hold L2 on PlayStation controller or left trigger, and over here we need to switch to free agent scouts. And as you can see here, we have our free agents that we can hire. We have the tiers, so we need to keep that in mind. So if I now try to hire a 3-star scout, then in that case I get this information that I can only replace a scout with the same one of the same tier. So let's say I want to hire this scout over here. So in that case I just have to press triangle on the PlayStation controller or Y on Xbox controller, and then I just have to confirm. And there we go, we have hired a scout. So let's go back to our scouts. Here is our new scout, and now we need to assign the region. We need to assign the scout. So we're gonna select the scout by pressing X on PlayStation or A on Xbox, and now we need to choose the region. And you can only use selected region once for a scout. So for example, over here I already have West, Northeast, and Central and National. So in that case, I cannot really use these regions. Well, I can if I want to, but of course, those scouts that had that region, they will have no region at all. So I will have to assign for them again. So let's select this one. And let's say I can choose Southeast. I can choose, let's see. I guess this is the only one that I can actually assign. So we're going to choose Southeast. But if I try to switch, let's say to, I don't know, like, let's say North. Where's the North? No, maybe West. Then in this case, as you can see, this one now is regionless, so I have to assign them again. So this is what we need to keep in mind as well. Of course, we also have position expertise, and, well, 2 of them actually. So depending on who you're looking for, you have to simply keep that in mind. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.